So a little short video here on customization. So most people know, or I think anyways, know about how you can customize keyboards when you're in what you call it Solidworks. Sorry, there, wrong button. You can go to the drop down arrow here, customize, and you go to keyboard and assign letters to a command. For example, there, if I want smart dimension, okay, I could command the letter D, okay, to doing the smart dimension. So if I line here, okay, I could press D for the dimension and it'll do that. Okay, another thing that I can do, right, okay, is okay, mouse customization. So if I okay hold down okay my right click here button, now all these commands have come up. So I just have a spline there. I haven't done anything. Okay, I haven't pressed any letter for spline, or I haven't gone over up to the command manager. So I could hold down, okay, my mouse again there, and I could select then and offset entities straight away. So nice and quick there. Now, how do I do that? How do I activate that, right? So if I went to customize, okay, mouse gestures, right? So I have a choice here. I can go two gestures, okay, two gestures horizontal, then I can go to these 8 gestures, 12 gestures, whatever. So if you're going for 4 or 8, you're basically okay indicating that you like these bigger, okay, maybe so you can select them quicker. Now I go to 12 gestures personally. Now there's one there that I didn't like. So say for example here, I didn't want this bottom view here. I can move that out there and it says no command assigned, right? Now say that's under assembly, so you can get gestures for different parts, right? Insert component. Uh, if this is going to come up here, so component existing part assembly. So if I what you call it, insert new part, whatever. So if I drag this out here now and put it there, I now have it, and so on.